Patients should have timely access to quality medicines and vaccines that are both effective and safe. Therefore, strong regulatory systems should be in place before medicines and vaccines are introduced in markets and throughout their life cycle. Like rail networks, these systems should be interconnected, efficient, and safe.
What we need to have in place are regulatory systems that ensure the availability of medicines and vaccines. These systems are comprised of regulations and directives, standards, procedures and guidelines, and these are the rules by which the regulatory authorities and the industry operate to ensure the quality, safety and efficacy of medicines and vaccines that are used. We need to have these systems in place throughout all stages of the product life cycle. That means they need to be available before we launch a product, and the systems also need to be available during the life cycle of the product to ensure that manufacturing is conducted according to the right standards, that the product safety can be monitored throughout its life cycle, the distribution practices are in place to ensure that the quality of the medicine that finally reaches the patient is of a high standard.
But for medicines and vaccines, we still have a long way to go. Only 1 country out of 5 has a well-functioning regulatory system. In today's globalized world, there's no need for every country to invent something new. Increasingly, collaboration, learning from best practices, and convergence of regulation is the way to improve timely access to medical products. If regulatory systems diverge across different countries, this could delay the approval process and derail access to medicines and vaccines.
The way in which we maintain the safety of our products, or medicines and vaccines, is through a pharmacovigilance system. And this is a system that the regulators use to assess the benefit and risks of our product throughout its life cycle. And it also allows us to detect any adverse events with our products. So a strong and aligned regulatory system can help to prevent the introduction of low quality and fake medicines and vaccines, as well as it can address shortages in the supply.
To put in place regulations and processes that will ensure quality, safe and effective medical products reach patients in time, we need to work together. We are at a junction where we all need to send a clear signal to commit to better and stronger regulatory systems in the interest of patients, wherever they live.